just trying to get vibe back to vibe. This is the last song, I think. And then it's going to be hanging out and what I like to call is Winky time. I'm going to regret this. I know I'm going to regret it. Try to pick up the right sound. And play in the right key. Did that the other night. I started in the wrong key like that, and it's just too low. I can sing it low, but just not the same resonance. Easy to sing. This is a song called You Know Me, but that's also been called The Foolish Young, but it's going to be called You Know Me. And it was always a love song, but it took a dark turn at the end. So I haven't decided which way to go with it, because it's such a beautiful, I think it's a beautiful chanting. It pulls you in, it's romantic, and then I get very dark at the end. It's sad, isn't it? I mean, none of you knew that I had Winky time, did you? Till tonight.
Until you told us.
I know, you thought I was a fucking poet, didn't you? Welsh poet. Dylan Thomas, he's very, very lyrical. Most bands I play with, they have this image of me from the 80s, you know. I played with a lot of bands since, especially doing soul stuff. You're nothing like I thought you were, you know. So don't talk with your microphone. Some people you talk to them, make them focus. Will I finish this song? Will I start it even? Let's go.